I believe this is night 7, not eating out for dinner. So let's play dinner for my kids and my grown-up kid, my husband. Made 2 pounds of beans and then fried these for dinner tonight. And I added different things to them and they taste really good. I added bacon this time. And I added onion, which I don't usually do because my husband doesn't like it, but we're trying it. It's just flour tortillas. Ow. And I just baked a garlic, lemon pepper, pork thingy from Aldi. I mean, it looks really good. Ow. We're gonna call it chicken. Someone said that touching their food, they're getting served like bacteria. I thought that was funny. I should mention that we're not germy. We're pretty gross around here, honestly. You want to taste the chicken?
Yes. No.
Okay.
No.
That's good. You don't like the chicken?
No.
You haven't tried it yet. I'm not crying. This is a little less effort tonight. I'm very tired. Not the food. The food is not less effort. My video presentation is less effort. Ow. I'm just tired. Oh, I have one other thing. Forgot I made this today. My vegetables did not go bad in the fridge this week. I love this. And this is dinner for Rosie and Roman. Roman's not already, but this is dinner for Jesus. And that's my plate. My husband ate his, didn't eat the vegetables. He's not a vegetable guy. And Rosie, she did not eat all of this. Jesus ate some of it, but she did eat most of it. Rosie and Jesus are on their way to the pool. Rosie really has been wanting some time with just her dad, so they went to go do that, and I rearranged my room, and so now I have a lot of cleaning to do because I'm the type to just sweep it all over and then clean it, so I will be doing that. Roman did not eat his food, so that's that. I'll see you guys tomorrow where it will be the same chaos, lots of chaos, so much of it, but different plates. Bye.